In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix errors on Turbotax. Whether you're dealing with calculation mistakes, incomplete information, or IRS rejections, Turbotax provides detailed prompts to help you resolve them quickly and confidently. First, if Turbotax shows any errors while you're filling out your return, it usually does so during the review or smart check stage. This feature automatically scans your entries for inconsistencies, omissions, or red flags. If something needs fixing, like a missing social security number, a mistyped EIN, or a deduction that doesn't match your income, Turbotax will highlight it and take you directly to the field where the issue occurred. Read the explanation carefully, correct the error, and continue. You can repeat the review step as many times as needed. Sometimes the error isn't immediately obvious. For example, if you're importing forms like W2 second, 1099 second, or K1 second, ensure the data transferred correctly. Always compare imported numbers against your original paper forms to catch mistakes. Also, double check your filing status, dependent info, and bank account numbers. These are common spots for unnoticed typos. If you've already filed and the IRS or state tax agency rejected your return, don't panic. Turbotax will notify you of the rejection reason via email and also display it when you open your return. Most rejections are due to small mismatches, such as an incorrect AGI, adjusted gross income, from the previous year, or a name that doesn't match Social Security records. When you reopen your return, Turbotax will explain what went wrong and walk you through the fix. After correcting the issue, you can simply refile electronically at no extra charge. Another tip, keep Turbotax updated if you're using the desktop version. Outdated software can cause bugs or errors that wouldn't appear in the web version. Launch Turbotax, check for updates, and install them before working on your return. This ensures that any last-minute IRS changes or form updates are reflected correctly. If the problem seems technical, like the software freezing, crashing, or refusing to save, try clearing your browser cache for the online version, or restarting your device. If the issue persists, Turbotax has a helpful support community and a live chat feature where you can connect with experts or tax professionals. They can review your screen and walk you through solutions. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.